When Nancy Pelosi buys stocks, you want to make sure you follow. You want to make sure you stick behind that trade. Why? Because she never ever lose money on a trade. She never ever lose money in any type of investment, especially in the stock market, because through her husband and through the connections that they've been able to built over the years sitting in Washington. I already made a video a couple of days ago, months ago, weeks ago on my channel and on my other channel to actually talk about in details what is actually going on behind this trend where anytime that anything they touch as investments, turns out it turns into gold. They always buy at the right time and always sell before everything crashes. So I'm going to share with you exactly what is going on with the fund which the Pelosis are buying AMC stock. They used and they actually loaded up more shares. Same thing with Goldman Sachs and Citigroup. All right, so let's get into this and you will see exactly from this Fintel institutional ownership page on AMC. All right, so Alliance Bernstein LP. This is a fund that used to have an average share price around 27 or 33. And as of today, there is disclosure that the average it's now up to 47.37%. Dollar share, and they added up to 22 million, up to 22.6 million dollars worth of AMC shares. So right now they are sitting on almost 600,000 shares. Guys, what's the AMC share price closing today around again? 38. All right, so these guys are sitting on an average cost of 47. So why in the heck will all these guys, all these banks, Citigroup, all right, and Creative Planning and Goldman Sachs, all right, Goldman Sachs already, as a matter of fact, up, but for Goldman Sachs it might be a little bit different because these guys are also have some significant amount of puts, so I think they're paying both sides because they want to hedge their positions, which will make sense because you are the professionals, all right? But moving back to these funds with the Pelosis, guys, if AMC wasn't supposed to do what it was supposed to do, I bet you they would even care buying AMC to begin with, all right? Another thing, another hint, if they didn't see any more significant upsides on this play, I bet you they will never even consider adding more to where they are actually sitting to 22.5 million shares, worth of shares in a stock that is supposed to go back down to $7 a share. Yeah, you can say the banks are lending, all right? The banks are here to work with the hedges. So what about these guys? Are they also lending too? I don't know. I'm not sure. But what I'm saying is, if I'm following the Pelosi's investments, like there is an app, there's a trading app that was created, and the whole strategy of this app is to follow any investments the Pelosi's are making, because again, they always win in whatever stock they're buying in the market. So to me, if you ask me, that's way bullish. Definitely bullish.